Today, we're going to build the Golden Gate Bridge using 23 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x10 plate piece in red because the Golden Gate Bridge is actually red. So we've got our 1x10 plate here, and on the very first stud over here, we're going to go from left to right. We're going to get a 1x1 tile clip. We're going to put that 1x1 tile clip onto the end stud so it's facing this way, so the hole where you're clipping in is kind of going the length of our bridge here. And now next to that 1x1 tile clip, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece. And this is all going to be in red. So I put that tile piece there. Now I'm going to skip this stud for now. So I've got clip, tile, stud. Now I'm going to get another 1x1 tile piece and put that right there on the next stud. So we've skipped one stud here. Now next to this 1x1 tile piece, I'm going to get two more of these 1x1 clip pieces and facing the same direction. So I'm putting those two clip pieces next to each other like that, and they're all facing the same direction. Now next to that tile clip, our last tile clip, I'm going to get a 1x1 tile piece, put that right there, and now we've got a stud. We're going to skip that stud again because that's going to be where the large towers are. So we're skipping that stud and we're getting a 1x1 tile piece, putting it on the next stud, so skip tile, and then we're going to get one more tile clip, and we'll get that one more tile clip, put it here on the end so they're all facing the same direction. And now we're going to work on the towers that kind of hold the cables to the Golden Gate Bridge. And to create those, we're going to get a 1x1 brick with hole. Because if you look at the Golden Gate Bridge, it's kind of like it's spaces. It's not just a solid pillar. It's actually like got little arches in it. So we're going to get the 1x1 bricks with hole to simulate that. And just put those so the holes are facing the front and back of our bridge. And we're going to do that 2 times. We want this too high. To get the height right, we're going to need 2 of those. And then on top of that, second 1x1 plate brick with hole, we're going to get a 1x1 tile clip just to smooth out the top there like this. And now we're going to do the same thing over here on that stud that we skipped. We're just going to get 2 1x1 bricks with the holes, stack them up so that the holes are facing the front and back of the bridge like this, and then we're going to get the tile clip on top. And now we've kind of got the completed structure. And now here's the thing, I found this on Pinterest and I fell in love with it because of the use of the hot dog piece. You know, I love like interesting uses of diff pieces. So the hot dog pieces is going to be the cables of our little Golden Gate Bridge. And for the hot dog piece, what you do is you put the one end of the hot dog into that clip and you put the very end of it. So you put the very end of the hot dog into the clip like this so that it touches those 1x1 bricks with the hole, and you've got the little suspension cables of the Golden Gate Bridge. And we're going to do that with all 4 of these clips. So we're going to get the hot dog, put it in this end, and it touches the bricks like that. Same thing over here. And I just loved the use of the hot dog for the suspension bridge, and that's what made me fall in love with this design. I wanted to share it with all of you. Now underneath, now that we've got these top completed, we need the pillars underneath to have it over the water, and for that we just get some regular 1x1 bricks and we just put that underneath the clip piece and underneath the tower piece, and we're going to do it to both sides. So you got the clip piece over here and then the tower underneath, and I like to do that last just so you know where it's easier to line it up. But here's our completed Golden Gate Bridge, and if you want you can just put over like a nice blue piece to simulate the water. But I really love this design. I hope you did too and can build it yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.